Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have some fun and we are gonna play around with the brand new purple bulb that Scentsy is actually launching tomorrow. We found out about these purple bulbs when we found out about the warmer of the month for April. And we did find out that the bulbs will be available to purchase separately starting tomorrow as well. So that's super exciting. Want to know a fun fact? If you didn't see my video on the scented warmer of the month for April 2020, I will link that one down below. Definitely check it out because that warmer is absolutely gorgeous. But here's the thing, I don't like it with this bulb. I really like my warmers to glow. If you'll see the warmers behind me, I like that glow, I like that ambiance, but I wasn't gonna sell out this poor bulb. I wasn't gonna just toss it to the side. I just thought there would be maybe a better warmer for this bulb. So we're gonna go around the house and we are going to try this bulb in some different warmers. And I've already tried playing around with it a little bit, and it's definitely worth picking up one if you're not going to be picking up the warmer itself. The warmer is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I just don't love it with this bulb. But we do have some other warmers that I feel like this is really going to shine through that purple a little bit better than the Be Bold warmer. So without further ado, let's hop around my house and play around with the purple bulb. Like I said, the bulb will be available starting tomorrow, April 1st, to purchase on its own. Or if you are like myself and you are getting the April warmer of the month but have other plans for it, like either you're gonna do a yellow bulb, clear bulb, green bulb, whatever you're gonna do, if you're not going to use the purple bulb, I would definitely suggest using it in just a different warmer. And what I will say is that if you are planning on maybe having that warmer in your bedroom and you are sensitive to light, like really super sensitive, this is going to be a perfect warmer or light bulb for a bedroom that you don't want a lot of glow. So as far as performance goes, I have had it going because I wanted to be able to report back. It's still just as hot as any other of our like 25 watt bulbs. So it's not, because it is darker doesn't mean it's not heating up as much. It's still warming through the wax just as quickly for what I have seen. So don't worry about that. I just wanted to be able to see that purple shine through more because I was so excited that Scentsy decided to release the purple bulb. So we're gonna play around with what warmers I'm liking this in a little bit better than the Be Bold warmer. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we are gonna start out in the Scentsy room here, and I actually thought I would like this one better, but so the purple bulb, and it is on, in our charitable cause warmer, the Love Is All You Need warmer. This is what it looks like. I don't love it. I prefer the clear one for this particular warmer. Now here it is in the Illuminate warmer. It is on. I actually thought I would love this more than I actually do, but I think just because of how naturally bright this room is, this just isn't gonna work. It just isn't gonna work in this room, I think, at all. But yeah, it was worth a try. And here's the purple bulb in the Mended warmer. This I actually like a lot more than I was expecting to. It does glow a little bit more in this warmer than it did in the Illuminate warmer. I feel like the Illuminate warmer, it's just, I think, competing too much with all the sparkle, but this one, it's actually really pretty. Once again, it is a very dull, I shouldn't say dull. It's not a very bright bulb. So I just have to reiterate that. But this is actually really pretty. I like this a lot. So here we have the beautiful Marrakesh warmer. I actually love the purple bulb in this particular warmer. Let me show you. How pretty is that? I just love it. See, even this one, I feel like the purple really shines through a lot better than the Be Bold warmer does. It's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, let's move on. Now check out how beautiful the purple bulb is in the Twinkle warmer. Ooh, now I have some decisions to make. I'm kind of loving this one. What do you guys think? And here we have the purple bulb in the white Himalayan salt warmer. This, I will say, it's very, very, very dim. This, it's glowing pretty bright because it's pretty dark in my bathroom, but it has to shine through quite a bit of salt. But this, I do love it though. I'm actually contemplating keeping the purple bulb in this particular warmer because, oh man, with a clear bulb, this thing is so bright. It lights up our whole entire bathroom, and we keep it on all night, but I kind of like the purple glow on this one. Pretty, right? And now we have my pink Himalayan salt warmer. I do really like the purple glow from the salt warmers. I feel like it's really pretty. It does, but like I said, since there's a lot of salt, it does have to shine through quite a bit of that. So it does dull it down even more, but it is really pretty. By the way, I feel bad kind of talking about this because both salt warmers at this point have sold out, but I know a lot of people did get their hands on them. So if you have either of them, maybe consider picking up one of those purple bulbs. Really super pretty. This is the Elegance warmer. This one's no longer available, but that's kind of a pretty look. Once again, it's very, very dim, but it gives it kind of a pinky mauve-y kind of look to it. I really like it. And here is the purple bulb in the Wispy Willow warmer. This one, I don't know if I accidentally scratched the bulb or something, but there's some like little things that are coming through on here, but I actually kind of like it. Once again, it's a very dimly lit warmer, but this is really pretty. Like I said, for like nighttime or something, I feel like this bulb can definitely work in several warmers. And here it is in the Chasing Fireflies warmer. I kind of anticipated this was gonna happen. Obviously, it is on, but there's no glow. And if you know this warmer, it glows. But you can see the little firefly bodies are now purple, so that's kind of cool. I actually had a friend on here who had left a comment on kind of an older video saying that they really like this warmer but didn't want it to glow. They like that kind of pretty blue color that the jar is. I'm gonna recommend that she get this bulb because that's gonna be perfect. It's still gonna melt the wax just perfectly, but it's not gonna glow. So if you're kind of in the same spot and you like this warmer but don't want it to glow at all, pick up a purple bulb. That's actually kind of pretty. And here we have it in the When Life Gives You Lemons warmer. I'm laughing because it's supposed to glow, but there's no glow happening. There's just that little bit of purple that's coming through the holes here. But once again, I guess if you really like this warmer but don't want it to glow, pick up a purple bulb. And now we have the Service and Sacrifice warmer. You can see how dark it is in here, you guys. It's not glowing at all. You know what kind of glow this puts off. I've shown it in a couple of videos, but yeah, there's no glow happening here. It's so funny how this bulb will do different things in different warmers. Kind of interesting. And here we have it in the Angel Wings warmer. I kind of like this. I knew this wasn't going to glow because obviously it's metal, but I do love that it's shining through purple on the top, and obviously you'll be able to see straight through that once the wax melts, but and the purple hearts around it, so pretty. I kind of love that one. That's really pretty. And last but most certainly not least is the Wildlife full-size warmer. I kind of love this one too. This one, it's shining through pretty nicely, and I really like it. So I think for the right warmer, this bulb is going to be really, really fun. All right, friends, so I hope you found this video helpful, especially if you're like me and you want the warmer of the month for April, but you don't really love the bulb with that particular warmer. You love the idea of the purple bulb, but just for the right warmer. So there are some definite really good warmers that this bulb is going to work really well with. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with this bulb, what warmers you are going to decide to pair with it. I think it's an amazing idea to come out with the purple bulb. It's just gonna be, some warmers are it's gonna work a little bit better for rather than some others. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Don't forget, purple bulb and the scent and warmer of the month for April launch tomorrow. So exciting. I can't believe April's already here. Crazy, crazy. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.